Ever found yourself wondering how to strike a perfect balance between your professional and personal life? You're not alone. This enigma, known as work life balance, is a common struggle faced by many. Whether it's the late night emails that creep into your family time or the weekend work that's eating into your leisure, we've all been there, but what if there was a way to manage this better, to find that elusive equilibrium? Let's dive into a tool that can help solve this conundrum. The most popular tool for improving work life balance? Time management. Let's break it down. Time management, in its simplest form, is about organizing and controlling how you spend your hours in a day. It's about making conscious decisions on what to do and when. Now, in the context of work-life balance, it's often considered the go-to solution. Imagine this: you have 24 hours in a day, 8 hours for sleep, another 8 for work, leaving 8 hours for everything else: family, hobbies, personal growth, and relaxation. Sounds simple, right? This is the common approach, meticulously dividing your day into neat segments, hoping to achieve that elusive balance. But here's the twist: life isn't always predictable. Meetings run late, family emergencies occur, traffic jams happen. These can all throw your well-planned schedule into disarray. But is this the most effective method? Let's find out. Imagine having time for everything that matters to you: work, family, hobbies, relaxation. Sounds ideal, doesn't it? This is the allure of a balanced life, and it's not just a pipe dream. It's a reality that can be achieved, and the benefits are worth pursuing. Achieving a balanced life can significantly reduce stress. When you're not constantly juggling tasks or feeling overwhelmed, you can breathe easier. Your mind is clearer, allowing you to focus better, leading to increased productivity. By not pushing yourself to the brink and beyond, you're protecting your mental and physical health. Moreover, a balanced life can enhance your overall well-being. When you have time for what you love, you're happier. And happiness has a ripple effect. It improves your relationships, your work, and even your health. But the biggest perk of a balanced life? It's sustainable. It's not about quick fixes or temporary changes. It's about creating a lifestyle that you can maintain long-term. These benefits aren't unattainable, they're just a few steps away. Time management is a great tool, but it's not the only one. Here's a less conventional but highly effective method: setting boundaries. You see, in our increasingly connected world, it's easy to let work seep into every corner of our lives. But here's the catch: it doesn't have to be this way. Think about it. Have you ever found yourself checking work emails during dinner? Or perhaps brainstorming solutions to work problems when you should be relaxing? These are signs that you need to set boundaries. So how do we do this? Firstly, limit your work hours. Decide when your workday starts and ends and stick to it. It's easy to tell yourself just one more task. But remember, there will always be more work to do. It's crucial to draw the line and give yourself time to unwind. Secondly, take regular breaks. It might sound counterintuitive, but breaks can actually boost your productivity. They help refresh your mind, making you more focused when you return to work. Lastly, prioritize personal time. Whether it's reading a book, going for a walk, or simply doing nothing, it's essential to have me time. This allows you to recharge and keeps you from burning out. Remember, it's not about having more time, it's about making the most of the time you have. By setting boundaries, you're not just improving your work-life balance, you're also enhancing your well-being, productivity, and overall happiness. So, are you ready to take the first step towards a balanced life? Let's recap what we've explored so far. We've acknowledged the common struggle of juggling professional and personal responsibilities. We've examined the popular but flawed approach of sacrificing one for the other. We've also highlighted the numerous benefits of a balanced life, from increased productivity and creativity to improved physical health and emotional well-being. Then we delved into the practical approach, sharing effective techniques to achieve this balance. We've talked about setting clear boundaries, embracing flexibility, prioritizing self-care, and utilizing time management tools. We've provided relatable examples to illustrate these concepts, making them easy to understand and implement. Remember, balance doesn't mean perfection. It's about creating a lifestyle that includes time for work, self-care, relationships, and fun. It's about listening to your needs and making adjustments as necessary. So don't wait for the perfect moment. Start today. Your balanced life awaits.